What is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today I'm back with another Lowkey brand unboxing. Today we got another brand from New York called Belief. I had ordered a long sleeve from there, so we're going to see what's in the package. And as always, I'm wearing my brand. Links are going to be in the description, and you'll see some on the screen at some point. Also, I'm just going to start it off right away. Go follow my Instagram and my company's page at HybridJosh and then at Hybrid Studios US. I have a streetwear brand. Go check it out. I'd really appreciate it. Now let's see what we got in the bag. Alright, so upon taking it out, I realized that we actually have more now than just the shirt, like some companies do. We have the invoice, which I'm not going to show you because it has my address and stuff on it. And then we have this nice little postcard, Queens, Belief. So that's where they're from. That's pretty cool. That's like a little collector's piece that I notice a lot of brands doing. I also send out postcards with my orders sometimes, but we do have that. And then we got this t-shirt. As you can tell, just normal packaging, medium. That's the tag right there. I want to say it was a screen printed tee, so you could tell it's screen printed. Now I'm going to take it out and we're going to do an up close test, and then I'm also going to try it on. Give me 1 second. Upon taking it out, you can tell it's a very nice quality shirt. And I'm actually really excited to wear this. It's super soft material. Don't know what brand it is specifically. I do like these, medium, even upward, when the tag is facing upward. That's nice. And you can also tell, you know, Belief New York. I've been rocking with a lot of New York brands lately, but they do have a lot of nice brands out there. It is a nice screen print, and we'll see right now. Alright guys, here's the up close with the Belief tee, and I really do like this nice and simple print. Just Belief New York. I love that blue on like the yellow, orange, red. And then we got the tag, and the shirt itself looks very soft. These are the sleeves right here. You could just tell the whole shirt just looks soft. I'm excited to wear it. I do like that screen print. It looks like it came out great and just nice and simple. I thought it was a great shirt, so I had to buy it. What do you guys think? Just let me know down below. We're gonna do a try-on test and see how it feels. Alright guys, so upon trying it on, it feels very soft. It fits super nice, true to size. The screen print feels amazing. The whole quality of the shirt itself feels amazing, and I'm very satisfied with this. I do like that they threw in a little postcard. Just a little something to have that, you know the brand's thinking about you, which is all that matters. But let me know what you guys think down below. Shout out Belief. I'll have other stuff down below if you guys want to go check them out. Anyway, go check out my clothing brand, www.hybridclothing.co. Of course, as always, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. I love looking at underground brands. I really appreciate it. So if you guys want to put me on some more underground brands, or if you are an underground brand and you want to send me some gear to like review or unbox, totally understandable. Hit me up on Instagram, comment down below, or do anything that you would like. Anyway guys, this has been Josh, and I'm out. Peace.